हूँ आशा सोमनाथ बैंगलोर से। आज मैं बनाऊंगी एक डिफरेंट तरीका का बैंगलोर स्टाइल सांबर। देर आर सो मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ सांबर एंड curries. Bangalore is famous for sambar. I mean, South India especially is famous for sambar. I am doing in my style. There are so many types, hundreds of varieties of sambars and curries. Some people will do without dal and with dal and mixed veggies, and sometimes only with one veg and dal. So there are different types. Today I am doing with loaded veggies and tuar dal. I am making, both are healthy. As you all know, tuar dal is very healthy and veg is also very healthy. So I am mixing it up and doing with tricks and tips ke saath I am doing in my style. And once again I want to thank Amul team for giving me an opportunity in their team to participate. And I am also thanking Deepa ma'am for giving me dates and all so patiently. And once again I am thanking Amul team for giving me an opportunity to take part in their team to showcase my talent in their platform. And once again I welcome you all friends to Amul FB page live. So let us start the रेसिपी। एंड खाने को बहुत लाजवाब है रेसिपी, बहुत हेल्दी है एंड इट इज eaten with staple food, like it suits for chapati, roti, and in Karnataka they will do ragi mudde, it suits for that also. And let us go for a healthy recipe and let us see क्या क्या इंग्रेडिएंट्स जरूरत है आज डिश बनाने को। कॉमन फ्रेंड्स, first of all we have taken this beans and cluster beans and carrot and aloo and tomato and main ingredient is tuar dal. This is I have taken Amul ka organic tuar dal and Amul ka this thing milk we have taken. You might be wondering why we have taken milk. This is the secret ingredients usually in all the restaurants they will use while grinding. And for masala we have taken kacha nariyal and dry chili and this is namak as you all know accordingly, and dhania seeds and chana dal and thoda rasam powder and urud dal and thoda pepper and kali mirch and jeera. And this is tomato, I have cut it into slices. And this is dhania ki patte and curry leaves ka mixture, kadi patta ka mixture. And it takes time as this is a live show. So I have already cooked this tuar dal separately in cooker for 3 whistles you have to cook. And this is vegetables dhone ke baad kaat kar vegetable only 2 whistles I have already cooked them, so it will be easy. So for this we have to prepare one masala, egg trips and tips ke saath. So let us start and I will keep this aside. It suits for chapati, roti, anything. बच्चों से बूढ़ों तक सभी लोग पसंद करती है सांबर। See in houses, घर में if you do idli, children will be eating only with sambar, not with chutney. So let us start the recipe. And first of all I am switching on the gas. धीमी तेज पर रखा है and I am adding little oil. This is for masala. We are doing one secret masala for this. And I'm adding 2 spoons of chana dal. For rasam powder we don't use this chana dal. So for sambar powder we use this chana dal. Thoda bunati. We want this because chana dal it takes a little time to get roasted. So We want light golden color and not very black color. And अभी थोड़ा उड़द दाल ऐड करती है. Just this is 1 spoon, friends. If chana dal is 2 spoons, you have to add urud dal थोड़ा कम. थोड़ा हिलाती है. This quantity you can do accordingly. You can increase or decrease according to your. I am showing it for 1 cup, and it will suit for 4 members. So I am doing for this for 4 members. If you want, you can increase or decrease. So this is around 4 spoons. If that is 2 spoons, you should add 4 spoons of dhania. And jeera and kali mirch, I am adding. And we have taken, mind it, we have taken little red chilli, as we are using pepper. Pepper in this winter season, you should use more pepper. This is for masala. And I am adding this red chilli, as you call Kashmiri chilli in Karnataka. We call this badgi medicine. It gives color, not thicker. Thoda ilati hai. And I am adding thoda kadi patta. Kadi patta is very good for health. So if you give for children or elders, they won't eat, they'll keep it aside. So you can add this for grinding. So I am switching off the gas. So our masala is ready, and I am adding this coconut. I have cut it into small pieces, kacha nariyal. If you want, you can add suka nariyal also. Suka nariyal also suits very well. Now I am switching off the gas and just I am frying, that's all. Because if you fry more for kacha nariyal, its flavor goes. So we have to make it a fine paste, and it should little bit we have to wait. It should be cooled, and I transfer it into mixer jar. And one secret recipe, friends, you have to add this rasam powder. Rasam powder is nothing but we don't add channa dal or urud dal for rasam powder. Only jeera, pepper, thoda methi ki dane, or thoda mustard, and kadi patta and dhania, and this thing red chilies. That's all we add for rasam powder. Thoda, this is the main secret ingredient for this grinding. I'm adding thoda rasam powder, not very much, because already we have roasted so many ingredients. And now this is the very much secret ingredient. Today I have taken Amul ka tuar dal, and this is Amul ka milk I am taking. I am adding this. This is the secret the ingredient. In all the restaurants they'll use this milk for grinding. I am adding this milk. And friends, in our house this point is not proper for mixer. I'll just go to my room. We have changed the point. We'll grind it and come. I'll grind it and come. First, Yes, friends. I grinded in this consistency. Consistency should be like this. It should be a fine paste. Look at the color, कितना बढ़िया है, कितना lovely है हमारा मसाला का color. So now let us start making the sambar, which is liked by all, बच्चों से बूढ़ों तक. So, and for this I am not using this imli. I am using this tomato is very this thing. So instead of imli I am using this tomato. And now one special thing I am adding, thoda oil and thoda Amul ka butter I am using. Amul ka butter. This is Amul ka butter है. लेकिन जल जाती है, इसीलिए हम थोड़ा ऑयल ऐड करा है. डायरेक्टली यू कैन नॉट ऐड बटर, लेकिन जल जाती है. एंड आई एम एडिंग राइस in our this thing. We don't make anything without rice in our South India. So rice is most important. I have added thoda haldi I have added. And I am adding ingu. Ingu gives the most this thing beautiful flavor. So I'm adding this. Here one more thing, I'm not using this onion or lesser. If you want, you can add. If you want, you can skip this ingu. This gives the most beautiful taste flavor. That is why I'm adding this ingu, and I'm adding kadi patta. दो का रखा है. And now अभी I'm adding this. First let us put this water, then afterwards if this is in liquidized form you can't smash it. And now I am adding tomatoes. This is 2 tomatoes. And now I am this is Amul ka organic tuar dal. Till that time I will be adding this veggies. I have cooked separately dal and veggies because the dal will take little more time to get cooked. So veggies only for 2 whistles and dal 4 whistles or 3 to 4 whistles you can this thing you can make. Now I am adding, and I am putting namak. If you put namak, food will cook well. I'll put in hand. I have the habit of putting in hand. If you want, you can put according to your pimps and fancies. And let it. It takes a little time to get boil because we have added tomatoes also. And it's healthy also, friends, because so many things we have added. Yeah, I'm adding masala, but I need little bit to. I am waiting for one boil. ये उबाल आने को वेट करती है. We want one boil. If you want ऊपर से और फिर आप इंगू से ऐड कर सकते. If you don't like इंगू, you can skip and you can add लहसुन और प्याज. This is sambar for lunch. It suits for roti, chapati, and for idli there is a different type of sambar. That is only onion and tomato we'll add for that. And now I'll add एक उबाल आ सकती हूँ. अभी मैं मसाला ऐड करती है. मसाला देखकर ऐड, हमारा क्वांटिटी को देखकर हम ऐड कर सकती हूँ. You can keep it in refrigerator masala if it is more. देखो फ्रेंड्स कितना बढ़िया है. एंड थोड़ा गुड़, if you want you can add thoda good, or else you can skip. I'm adding thoda, not very much, still more less I'm adding, only this much I'm adding good. If you want you can use chini, but compared to chini you can use this good. देखो फ्रेंड्स कितना बढ़िया है हमारा. If you want you can add still more masala. If you it for rice means this consistency is okay. For roti means little bit you want. Like for rice it should be little liquidized form. I'm adding total, not very much. You can keep it in refrigerator. Nothing will happen. You can use it for a day after. देखो फ्रेंड्स कितना बढ़िया है हमारा सांबर. स्पेशल सांबर as we have grinded in Amul ka doodh. First of all, compared to other milk, Amul is very nice. It has maintained its quality. In my house we'll use Amul products much. At last we can add, when you add dhania ki patte, it is understood as हमारा dish is complete, is getting completing, or it is getting completed. We added Amul ka butter also. देखो फ्रेंड्स अभी we wanted this boil. It should boil from all the sides. When it is showing boiling all the sides, it is understood that it has cooked well. So now I am adding this dhania ki patte. When you are adding this dhania ki patte, it is understood as our dish is completed. So please try this recipe. देखने को बहुत लवली है, कलर देखने को बहुत बढ़िया है, खाने को भी बहुत लाजवाब है. देखो फ्रेंड्स कितना अच्छी है हमारा सांबर देखने को. हॉट राइस के साथ आप ये डालकर थोड़ा ऊपर से अमूल का बटर या अमूल का घी डालकर का यू कैन खा सकती हूँ. मुंह में पानी आती है देखकर. I am shifting. So I am shifting. Now my plating is ready. देखो फ्रेंड्स मुंह में पानी आती. देखो फ्रेंड्स कितना बढ़िया है हमारा दाल. किसी को भी संग आप खा सकती हो, या रोटी या चपाती, किसी का संग आप खा सकती हो. Thank you friends for watching the session. Please try this recipe And thank you once again, Amul team, Deepa ma'am. Namaskar.